is shining, the birds are singing.
Oh, look at all the water.
Oh, and speaking of birds.
Whoa, check it out. Look, they're pink and so pretty.
Oh, that's a kind of bird called a flamingo.
Oh, they have long bending necks.
Uh-huh.
And look, they can stand on just one foot. Oh, well, I can do that.
Oh.
Watch. I think. Whoa,
Be careful.
whoa. This is hard.
Can you stand on just one foot like a flamingo?
Yeah, give it a try.
Oh, there you go.
Hey, good job.
It's kind of fun, isn't it?
Again.
Your arms out. There.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah. Oh, I gotta get a picture of this. Smile for the camera. 1, 2, 3. Hey, where did his head go?
Oh, I think he's hiding.
Okay, let's go this way.
Okay. Well, don't worry, BJ. I'm sure you'll get good pictures of the other animals.
I sure hope so.